Hello-de doodly doodly, sweaty onions, and welcome to a world of something. Water pumping. I have here a drill water pump, drill powered water pump I should say. I bought a metal one because it seemed like it might be better quality than the plastic ones that seem to be everywhere. It's about double the price, but hopefully it'll be worth it. And I've got my drill. Where am I pointing there? Drill. And the reason for this is, if you've watched any of my other videos, which you won't have because nobody ever has, let me spin you around. From the chicken field here, when I've been getting water to water my pond or my plants, I have to go up there. Am I pointing, even pointing in the right place? No, up there somewhere to the wee stream catchy sink buckety thing, and then walk down here with it. So we had a crazy idea because we want to fill up this water, but this has all gone a bit ironic now since it's done nothing but rain for the past couple of weeks. But when we were having our lovely sunny spell before, this was getting all a bit dry here, and we were up and down all the time getting water in cans from up there at the stream. That's Mazza trashing the place, bringing them down here and watering stuff. Anyway, that's enough of an intro. So we're going to try a crazy experiment to see if a drill pump will pump all the way from up there down to the field. Somewhere in the shed I have allegedly 50 metres of hose, which I bought a couple of weeks ago, and I've put some ends on it. And what we're going to do is trail it up to the stream and fire up the drill pump and see if we can actually pump water from, not the stream, the spring. See if we can pump water from all the way up there down to the field, which will be a fun experiment. According to the instructions for these pumps, they need, whoops, I tripped over a log there. They're supposed to be used with a mains drill, and people say, depending on who you believe, that a battery drill won't have enough juice to turn it over fast enough to pump anything. But we're going to experiment anyway. So I'll pause you now and we'll unroll the hose, and then I'll rejoin you up at the spring and we'll see what happens. Off we go. Right, hold tight, let me twizzle. No, I'm not. They're all untying in this direction. It's just enough to keep moving along each time. I know what I'm doing, man. Look, it's coming good. It's just got a lot of twizzle left in it. It's like Krillo's head. Okay. That took a lot of detangling, as you can see, but where we go into the water butt, and I have to grab my drill and my pump on the way. Oh wait, I need my other bit of hose as well. It's going to be a lot to carry. Right, it's going to be musing experiment in one way or the other. I think I got most of the twizzles out of it. Might be a couple at the top here. Oh yeah, we've got plenty spare. Right, there's the stream. So I keep calling it a stream spring, but where I was going to put the sucky uppy tube, if you'll forgive my professional terminology, is if I heave this to the side, there's, I'm not quite sure what goes on in there, but some kind of cistern-y type effect. So that fills up, and then that pours into there, and then when that overflows, that pours into there, which is another one of these kind of stone sinks embedded in there. And when that overflows, I think it goes down there in that stream, which seems mostly dried up, so I'm not quite sure where it goes. But anyway, back to the experiment. We'll put the take-up pipe in there. The reason I'm not doing the take-up pipe into the sink is every time I pull water out of there in the watering can, it gets full of bits of weed and gravel and stuff. I'm not sure if this is any cleaner, but I'm thinking maybe because it's covered over, there won't be as much growing in it. I don't know if that makes sense. Sorry, I'm having trouble getting you balanced here. How's that? Whoop, hang on. There we go. Right. So take up tube in there. Okay, so the pump's going that way. Yeah, it would do, wouldn't it? The opposite way to what I want it to go. So the intake's on that side. Is this going to fit and make a watertight seal? Probably not. Where's my long bit? And the outlet goes there. And then we attach a drill. And just check Mazza's ready. Are you ready? She just looked at me from a distance. I don't know if that meant she was ready or not, but we're going for it anyway. Probably won't work because this drill's a bit wank. Right, are we focused? Ish? Right, let's see what happens. Peek down at Mazza through the trees to see if she's doing a thumbs up, I think. Yeah, we must have water coming. Oh yeah, wait, hang on. If you can see her through the trees. Wave it again! Wave it up in the air! You probably can't even see that, but yeah, she is waving a hose there. In fact, I might go down and play with it and then she can do the drill action to see what thrills we've got. You go and do the drill so I can film the excitement of it coming out. Ah. You go and operate the drill for a bit. Actually got a bit of siphoning going on here. So yeah, you don't actually need the pump if you wanted it to fill really, really slowly. But Mazza's off to operate the drill. Stopping only to pick wildflowers on the way. I can see some condensation in the lens of this camera, which is not good because this is an action cam, so why the hell's it got condensation inside it? Riddle me that, DJI. We're going, oh yeah, look at that. Look at that for flow. It's masterful. It sounds really noisy when you're up there, but you can't even hear the drill from down here. She's waving. She's up there in the trees waving to me, but you probably can't see her. Marvellous. It's quite fast flow as well. I don't know what I was expecting. Well, I was expecting it not to really work at all, but yeah, it's not bad. You could fill a few buckets and watering cans with that. The only problem is that it needs someone at either end. One filling the vessels and another one working the drill at the top. So yeah, there you go, an experiment in long distance water pumping using a drill. You laugh at my crazy schemes.
What?
You laugh at my crazy schemes, but it worked. Yeah. It's good fun. And it worked with a battery drill, which was good as well. Because internet wisdom and people on Amazon said it wouldn't work with a battery drill. So that's good. Right, that'll do for now. That was a short and sweet one. Successful experiment in bringing water from here down to there by the magic of hose pipes and drills. So catch you next time.